Now, masks are hard to find, but the Citadel is helping solve that problem with some printers and some hot glue. Eli Brand shows us what they're doing and how they're challenging other colleges across the state.
Many local hospitals are struggling to keep them in stock. But that's the sound of a solution. These 3D printers are working full-time to make masks for healthcare workers. It was all started by a team at the Citadel that now spends their days loading printers, cleaning,
Science fiction,
building, and repeating.
And now you have a mask that COVID patients over at MUSC can use.
But for the professors behind the project, these masks mean more than safety.
Oh, it's kept my anxiety way down in this time. Like I think I would be a mess if I didn't feel like I was actually contributing. And this feels like something that's very much worth doing. And
this is literally what classes and universities should be doing: is teaching how to take real-world problems and solving them with real-world solutions.
So the idea was to get the entire community involved in trying to assist whatever local healthcare institute requires these masks.
And others are assisting, thanks to a Citadel student.
In about a week, we were able to take this from one school with 4 3D printers to a statewide initiative.
After a few phone calls and help from the president of Coastal Carolina University, Courtney managed to get the entire South Carolina Commission of Higher Education to pitch in and help. DHEC has also just approved $300,000 to help public universities print more masks. And this will move the operation further in the right direction after the Citadel donated 30 or so masks to MUSC today. But the help doesn't stop there.
And while there's a lot of good work being done here to help get medical masks out to professionals, if you or someone you know has a 3D printer like this, you can also help out.
MUSC has guides for how you can print these on your own 3D printer and even assemble them. You can find those links on our website. Working for you at the Citadel, Eli Brand, ABC News 4.